Hello kids, welcome to Wings Education YouTube channel. My name is Pooja. It's summer and vacation time and all mom needs some recipes so she can make quick and easy. Of course healthy as well as it should be tasty for their child. So something as simple as a fruit custard. That's my today's recipe. So let's start it. Let's start with boiling 3 cups of milk, full fat, and pour into a pan. I'll just pour into this pan, and I've taken measurements wise this cup as 3 cups. Okay, and we'll bring this to a boiling level. Once the milk start boiling, we'll put some sugar. So we'll wait for at least 5 to 7 minutes for boiling it. It takes 5 to 7 minutes to boil this milk. We'll add some sugar. So my measurement for this one goes like, I have put 3 cups of milk, so I will put about 5 tablespoon of sugar. 5 tablespoon sugar. 5. I'll stir it well, mix sugar and let it dissolve, and put the flame onto a little bit more lower down, and I'll keep stirring it till the sugar goes dissolved into milk properly. So while the milk and sugar are boiling, we'll do some custard job done. I'll take some milk. So I'll put this in low flame, just a low flame. Now I will take half cup of milk and I will put some custard. As you can see, I put a nice, this is plain vanilla custard. And I'll put 1 spoon, 2 spoon, 3 spoon and 4 spoon of custard. It should be like normal milk, or it can't be hot milk because then it will leave lumps. See, you can see this is very nicely mixed. There's no lumps into it. I'll just stir it well. It should not be lumpy first place. And I'll pour this milk into this hot boiled milk. And I'll stir it again. So I'll be making sure there is no lumps in this pan. Stirring it, keep stirring it well. So you can see the consistency of my custard. It looks great. Now it's 10 to 15 minutes already, and you can see the custard is cooled down and it looks so perfect. Look, it's nice. So I'll show you some fruits which we're going to put into this custard. I'm taking some grapes full of ball, half cut, 1 banana chopped, 1 mango chopped, some seeds of pomegranate, 1 apple chopped, some cashew nuts and mixed almond flakes, and pinch of kesar, means saffron. So I'll put this saffron slightly like this, garnishing, just to add a bit of flavor. And I'll pop all these fruits into the pan. इसको कट कर लेना है. So we'll mix all the fruits into the milk custard. mix it well. Pour these here. And we'll mix it gently. So all the fruits are mixed well. I'm sure kids are going to love it because they like mango, grapes, everything. So now I have mixed all the fruits and some dry fruits I put into this custard. Now we need to store them in a fridge for a couple of hours. We'll freeze them, of course. Put this, I'll take a bowl and pour all these custard. Pour some custard into a bowl and we'll freeze it for a couple of hours. So here you can see my custard bowls are ready to go into freeze. We'll garnish this with some seeds of pomegranate and some cashew flakes and almond flakes, and that's it. It's ready to go to freeze. And we'll serve it chill cold. Thank you. Okay, so now we have done this custard recipe for kids at the summertime. I would like you to try this at your home and upload a video for yourself so we can put this video in our next cooking show. Thank you. If you like my video, then please like it, share it and subscribe it and touch the bell icon.